Okay, so thanks for joining in. So today's demonstration, we are going to discuss on Oracle Fusion Financials. So uh, in this session, I will explain what is Oracle Fusion Financials for eligible candidates for this course learning, and what is the opportunities are available in the market, and what is the future impact after getting the job. What is the impact of artificial intelligence, whatever technical concepts like and explain about the course. uh, what are the offerings we are going to provide, and what is the support we are going to provide. Okay, so actually we are going to start new batches, uh, from April 14th we are going to start the new batches. So morning batch in English medium, it will be in 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. and evening batch Telugu at 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. So people who are interested to join in English medium, then you can join the morning session. And as well, if you are interested to take Telugu also, then you can take the drive access, and or if you are available at evening time, you can join in at evening time also. So we are starting these two batches will run parallelly. Okay, morning batch, whatever the topic we have discussed, the same topic will be discussed in the evening session. So these are two separate batches actually, morning and evening batches. People who are uh, you know available at their particular time, like morning, if you are available in the morning time, you can take the morning batch. If you are available in that evening time, you can take the evening batch. So in few cases, like if you someone is doing rotational duties, like 1 week will be available in the morning, another week will be available in the evening. So that in that cases also you can use both. And in few days you can join the morning session, in few days you can join evening session. Okay, so that privilege is also available. Okay, now we'll discuss the topic. So myself, Mahesh, and I have 11 plus years of experience in Oracle Fusion. Okay, so I have good experience in functional and as well technical uh, role. Like I have experience in on-site as well. So I went to Australia in 2019 and worked for the client for the 2 years. So so in that duration, I was a functional consultant, like all financial models, and worked for the integrations as well. And as a technical components, like integrations level, we have different models like GL, APR, and CM, cash management. For all these models, customer needed integrations functionalities. For that, I worked as a functional consultant for the integration projects. Okay, in that case, like we have developed a few BIP report and OTBA reports as well. So I was involved in creation of BIP reports and OTBA reports as well. So this is all about my experience. Okay, currently I am working in on MNC, big MNC company, and I have good experience, like working as a project manager, and have deal with multiple client issues. So that is a main thing. Like you are going to get the advantage, like uh, the current scenarios what we are facing, the current issues what we are facing from the client, that could be included in your training. So see, if you take the example, like in December 2024, I have taken one batch, and previous also we have taken few batches. And later, the latest batch what we are going to take, that would be, a small difference, like a new functionality would be added. So the latest functionalities, whatever the new latest version we got from the Oracle, so that would be added in our latest version. Okay, so that is the main thing. Like if you compare with other institutes or other, people who are not working in real time and they are giving some training, right? So that is a standard training for years, for years. So last 5 years, whatever they teach, the same thing they will teach now. But in our training program, like I will take a new version application and new version functionalities. Okay. So first I will explain what is ERP application. Okay. If you have any questions, you can raise your questions. You can speak in Telugu as well. Okay, I will answer in your Telugu language also. Okay. So yeah. So what is ERP application? So now we are discussing, I mean, the entire Oracle Fusion is a ERP application. That's why we are discussing, I mean, we are learning about ERP application as well. So what is ERP application? ERP, nothing but enterprise resource planning. The word, it represents like the total meaning of ERP. Okay. So it is a planning of resources. So whatever the resources we have in an organization level, resources means it would be included multiple resources, like it could be manual manpower resource, it could be raw material resource, it could be different capital amount requirements. So those things will be considered as a resources. So first thing, on sales related activities. Okay, the main objective of every organization is sales and profitable. So those activities we can record in ERP application. So sales, marketing, procurement process, and planning process, and accounting process, supply chain process. All these are related, like each module is a one big task. Okay, so ERP application allows the organization to enter all their business transaction in one application level. Okay, so before this ERP application, like people used to maintain multiple small applications or multiple tools to enter their daily business activities. Okay, nowadays ERP application is updated, okay, with multiple activities in one application. So it will reduce the cost of the organization, it will reduce the uh, you know time factor, it will increase the accuracy as well. So let's say if one employees are working, and they are getting the salaries, and again we are getting some raw materials from the suppliers, we are paying to the suppliers, and we are selling some products, and we are getting some money from customers. These are example of one of the activity in a daily basis. Okay, so all those activities can be recorded in ERP application. Okay, that is the magic of ERP application. Okay, so now these are the ERP industries. These are the industries which are using the ERP applications. Manufacturing industries, distribution industries, professional services like consulting services, or there are any there are many professional services, software companies as well, constructions, industrial services, okay, healthcare, and transportation and logistics, food beverage, and media, telecommunications. So recently we heard that Airtel converted to Oracle Fusion. The biggest one, Airtel, currently using Oracle Fusion only. Previous they are using another software. Now they are turned to Oracle Fusion. Okay, so like that, there are many industries, and there are many industries that they are using, in even in hospitals also they are using Oracle Fusion application. Okay, these are the few of best ERP applications available in market. Oracle, NetSuite, Sibyl, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, Infor, SAP. Okay, these are all these are the main edge main they have a margin in a market. Okay, so if you see the best, what is the, I mean, who are the best in the market? If you filter out all the ERP application, you can see the only one ERP Oracle application is the best one. So as of today, uh, if you take the market level, international level, who are the best in the market, then you will get the only Oracle Fusion application. Nowadays, people are choosing Oracle Fusion only. Okay, we are getting so many projects. So as a real-time working, I was seeing that previous they are using on-prem applications and SAP, SAP or Infor public sector. There are many other small on-prem applications. Now they are converting to cloud applications. So to reduce their data management activities and IT department activities, they are just turning into cloud applications. One of the best application in the cloud area, that is Oracle Fusion. So you can see the whatever the, so here it is, this symbol is cloud, this is on-prem application. So what are the platforms can be allowed? So Apple and Windows. So what is the cost and small, medium, large level? Okay. So these are the main important applications that we are using, that are we using in the current market. Okay. So coming to Oracle, main Oracle. So previous I have explained JD Edwards, Sibyl, PeopleSoft, and there are other few ERP applications. These are all main ERP applications. In the year of 2013, 15, or 16, 17, in that particular time, Oracle is acquired all this one by one. JD first they acquired JD Edwards, later Sibyl, PeopleSoft, and Hyperion. Okay, so these are all applications are acquired by Oracle Fusion. What they are trying to do, they will extract what are the new functionality or what are the different functionality they are providing except our Oracle Fusion application. So they will just identify then that application, like that whatever the unique feature they are providing, that will extracted and included into Oracle Fusion. Okay, later they will stop other applications what they have acquired. JD Edwards or Sibyl, PeopleSoft, all these modules will be stopped in future. Now they are working under Oracle only. So later Oracle, what the plan of Oracle is, they will include all the functionalities, all the other functionalities from acquired applications into Oracle Fusion, and they will stop other applications. Now the customers will migrate from other applications to Oracle Fusion only. So that's what how market is increasing for the Oracle Fusion. Now we are discussing on Oracle Fusion application. So EBS also is there. EBS, e-business suite is on-prem application of Oracle. Now we can say this one Oracle Fusion application is next version of e-business suite. E-business suite is a on-prem application, and Oracle Fusion application is a cloud application. Okay. So this Oracle application was launched in 2010 and introduced to the world market in 2011. So what are the offerings are provided, or the offerings are included in Oracle Cloud application? So that is ERP, EPM, SCM, and HCM, CS nothing but customer experience. These are the few models included in the Oracle Cloud application. Okay, so we are concentrating on only ERP applications. Okay, so all these are a few technical. If you say EPM, it is related to reporting management. Okay, so some technical components will be involved. This is supply chain logistic related. This is SCM, and human capital management, employee hiring and employee management, employee retirement. All these activities will be recorded in HCM module. Okay, customer service, requests, customer service request related to CX model will be uh, maintained under CX model. Okay, so let's see what are the platforms are available in Oracle Fusion application. Now we are discussing ERP application and that which is related to Oracle Fusion. Okay, we have three type of platforms like SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. So what is the difference between these three platforms? Like if you take example of your OTT subscription, we have Diamond, Gold, and there is a if you see Platinum also there. Okay, so the difference between three subscription is Gold is very less offers, very less features you can see. Okay, let's say compare with the Diamond and Platinum, you may get more features. So you can add those compatibility with the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. SaaS is application level, in front-end application level access. This is only pure functional access and nothing but software as a service. I will explain each and everything in real class sessions. What is SaaS, what is PaaS, and what is IaaS. These are the three subscriptions. PaaS and IaaS related to technical components. SaaS is related to pure functional. We are going to cover only SaaS, which is related to functional. Okay. So in the ERP application, we are going to cover financials management. Okay. So in financials modules, we have 6 modules. So general ledger, account payable, nothing but AP module, receivable module, and fixed assets, cash management. Another additional we have expenses model, which is comes under AP module. So these are the 5 modules we are going to 6 modules we are going to cover in our training. Okay, let's see how what is the job scope and what is the job designations of our profile. So our profile job designation is functional consultant. So I will tell you a simple example. Let's say we have ABC Limited company, okay, which is existing and which is using Oracle Fusion application. So Oracle Fusion is related to main Oracle product. And it's a Oracle product, not related to any software company. We have software companies like Deloitte, Accenture, Capgemini, and Wipro, Infosys. There are many software companies in a market, and Oracle is not belong to any of the software company. Oracle Fusion application is related to Oracle product. Okay, so here our job role is functional consultant. Let's say ABC Limited. We have ABC Limited company. ABC Limited company is using Oracle Fusion application. Okay. Now, Oracle Fusion application like ABC Limited may need some consulting support from the third-party applications, like a third-party consulting. Consulting company is software company. Let's say Deloitte company. Deloitte company is a consulting company, consultant partner for the ABC Limited. Now ABC Limited had some issues and they required some support regarding the Oracle Fusion application. Now Deloitte company will provide some resources which is called functional consultants. Our job role is functional consultant. Currently, we are working under Deloitte company, and we are providing services and support to the ABC Limited. ABC Limited is our client. Okay, so this ABC Limited company can be changed in after a few days, after a few months, you may get a new client. Next, XYZ company you can get under same Deloitte company. You are working under Deloitte company, but you are providing services to the client company. Let's say ABC Limited or XYZ Limited. Okay, so that is a functional consultant. Our job role is functional consultant. What are the uh, roles and responsibilities under our job role? Majorly, we are providing two type of uh, roles and responsibilities, like implementation project and supporting project. Let's say if ABC Limited company is newly started, they never used before this Oracle Fusion application. Now we are newly implementing Oracle Fusion into ABC Limited. So that is called implementation project. Okay. Now we are implementing brand new Oracle Fusion into ABC Limited. So there is a process. Okay, there is a methodology, documentation, and a client interaction. So all those that will comes under implementation process. I will explain what is the process and what is the procedure in implementation project in real time. So what are the documents would be required for the implementation process. So there are three type of implementations: new implementation, or migration process, or rollout. Rollout, nothing but enhancements. Second one is supporting project. Supporting project where the XYZ company, so they have already implemented Oracle Fusion. Previous, they have Infosys as a client, like a consulting partner. Uh, due to some reasons, the SOW got expired, and they moved to another client user. Now we are the client partners for that XYZ Limited. So our activity is to provide daily support. So if you had something like in market we have if you bought some product, okay, technical, let's say TV, we brought some TV, and we are using the TV. It suddenly it got failed. It is not working properly. Then we will try to connect a customer care support. Okay, customer care support, they will advise us so how we can fix the issue. Okay, so like that, the ERP application XYZ company will use daily. If they face any issues, if they face any type of issues, then they will connect with the customer support. So here again, we are the consultant customer supports. We will connect with the XYZ company end users and will fix the issues. Okay. So we have daily functional queries and period end issues, technical issues we used to get, and we have some technical ticketing tool. And so whatever the issues they got from the client side, they will raise the ticket, and the ticket will be assigned to our consultants. Okay, so we will take the ticket and we'll work on the issue. We'll fix the issue for the client. So in real-time session, I will explain how the business process on implementations and support real-time. So total this experience, this knowledge will compatible with real-time 5 years of experience. So in our training program, okay, whatever the knowledge you are getting, that is equivalent to 5 years real-time experience. Because so let's say we have different modules. GL, APR, FASM, like that. So each consultant will not work all of the modules. Okay, let's say in ABC Limited, they are using all 5 modules, and we have 6 consultants. Okay, each consultant will share 1 or 2 modules only. Let's say Mahesh will take only GL and AP. Another consultant will come and take and AP and AR. Another consultant take AR and FA. Like that, two modules every consultant will share. So due to that, maybe if you work for 2 years on the same project, you may not get touch with other modules. You may get the new project after 2 years. Okay, you may choose another two other modules. Finally, after 4 or 5 years of experience, you may not cover all the modules. So that is a real-time scenario actually. The in the real time, our scope is very limited. But in this platform, learning platform, you can learn everything. You can learn everything, every functionality in single modules. Okay, and real-time scenarios as well. I mean, how you are going to join in a company. What is the functional, what is the procedure included uh, in each organizations, like onboarding and assigning your projects. Okay, how the team will be there, and what is the roles and responsibilities in our a team as a team member. Okay, so how the stand-up calls will go, and everything will be covered in a real-time sessions. So during that, you may get a good knowledge that would be very helpful, even though you don't have the experience in real time. Okay, you can see here, these are the modules we are going to cover. Okay, so total 5 modules we have. So total each module level we used to explain theory and the configurations and as well functionalities. Okay, so we have 3 levels of training process. If you see, first I will explain module level. What is the particular? Let's say we have a different 5 modules. Let's say GL module. First, I will explain theoretically what is a GL module, what is the exact functionality. Okay, and is the different terminologies in GL. Okay, what are the important important setup and configurations in GL model. And first theoretically we'll explain each and everything. Then we'll start the setup and functions. Setup and configuration. Then again we will test each and every component, each and every functionality on application. So this is the process. So each module we used to follow this process. So I will provide the theoretical documents, whatever we discussed. So here what happens, every module, every topic, every terminology will be discussed in twice. At first time at a theoretical level, next time at a functionality testing level. I will explain every topic in a business scenario level. Let's say if you are getting a AP level invoice creation process. So what is the business scenario? How we used to get the invoice from the supplier, and what are the different type of supplier invoices? Okay, what are the different scenarios in real time? Okay, everything will be covered in uh, you know in our sessions. Okay, so regular sessions will conducted on latest curriculum. Latest version means Oracle Fusion will update every quarterly. Now we are in 25A. That means 2025 A quarter. So every quarter we used to get the patches from the Oracle Fusion. Okay. So in every patch, they used to provide new feature. And if you got the new feature, I mean, regarding to financial models, then we can discuss that. Okay. Next, every session will be recorded. Okay. In the Zoom meeting, since it is online training, every session will be recorded. In the recording, like whatever the topics were discussed and what are the queries you got, and everything will be recorded and saved in a Google Drive. That access will be provided to your email ID. Okay, and this is lifetime free, and so it will not disconnected anytime. Like, so one more thing, one more important thing here I would like to mention. Every year it will be updated, and so let's say in 2024, I may explain 15 functionalities in one module. But later in 2025 batches, I may added other functionalities as well. 15 extra, one or two modules will be, one or two functionalities could be added. So latest videos will be provided for your references. Okay. So your folder will be updated with the latest batch videos. And application access, there is application for the practice. This is also free for lifetime. So all those access, there is no additional cost on these accesses, lifetime accesses. The total course fee whatever you are paying, so all these features will be, all these offers will be included. Okay, so every week we used to have mock interviews. Okay, I think many of you gone through the mock interview sessions in our YouTube channel. Okay, so every week we used to take mock interviews on each module what we got completed previously. Like let's say first month we have completed 2 modules. Okay, then next week we will take mock interview on the topic latest recently what we have completed, and I will provide 150 to 200 interview questions on each module, so that will very helpful your interview process. So you can go through interview question and answer as well, not only questions, it will included answers as well. Okay, I will take responsible for your resumes. If you provide your basic resume, whatever you have, that we can be converted into Oracle Fusion related experienced resume. So you can consider this resume for your interview process. Okay, the real-time sessions. So I told you, right, we have 2 type of projects in real time. So implementation project and a supporting project. So implementation process level, we have a different methodologies, AIM methodology, OEM methodology. So each, what is the difference between AIM methodology and OEM methodology? What are the different documentations? What are the different stages we have in the implementation process? Okay, different customization process. Okay, different customizations means customer may need some changes in the standard features. Maybe you can do the customizations. What are the customizations we can do? So this is a technical component, and so I will cover basic technical components in our training. So means technical means there is no coding will be included. Okay, only reports level. If you take BIP reports, only SQL queries will be included. So this is additional skill set, and reporting and BIP reports building is your additional skill set. Since you are a functional consultant, you don't need this SQL knowledge. But if you have better, I mean, it's a good to have. If you don't have, that's fine. As a functional consultant, you are not part of the reporting. For the reporting in organization level, there is separate team. there is separate consulting team. They used to support on reporting only, OTBA and BAP reports. They are maintaining, I mean, we are maintaining that batch and that team for the technical purpose. Okay, so if you have that knowledge, SQL and BAP, I mean SQL queries knowledge, then it is bit advantage of your profile. And again, data migration process integrations using bulk, I mean FBDA templates, how we can import the data. So, and rapid implementation process, how we can do the spreadsheet import of setups, whatever we used to take a manual way. Okay, so all this will be covered in real-time sessions. This is implementation project. And coming to S4, supporting project, what is SOW? Okay, statement of work or scope of work, and what is the main components of SOW, what is the importance of SOW, and what are the limitations in SOW, ticket management, and I mean how we used to get the task from the client, how the ticketing tools will be managed, how you can assign the ticket from your team. So what is your major responsibilities, and what is your best practice in real time? Okay, I will explain module wise what are the different real time scenarios, real time issues we used to get. Okay, this is very important for the real time interview point on. So many of the interview, they will ask, can you explain any, if you explain in a GL model, so they will ask, what is the recent issue you got from the client, and how you do fix it. So you can, if you make some list of issues for each model, then you can easily explain the issue, and you can also get impression from the interviewer. Okay, so those things will be covered in real-time sessions. And one more important thing for your information, in few days, coming 3 to 4 days, we are going to start real-time sessions for our previous batch. The current we are running February batch. Okay, so February batch we are at ending. So now we are about to start the real-time sessions. So I will let you know in the group, like we have announcement group, right? So in that announcement, I will share you that meeting link. You can join in. You can freely join. There is no restrictions. Anyone can join, and they can get the knowledge on real-time sessions. I will explain all these components, whatever you are seeing in the screen. So we'll be covered everything in a real-time sessions. And it is very and documentations level, we have many documents. Okay, this is just headers, and this is just headers. There is much depth content in real-time sessions. Okay, yeah, just let me know if you are not in the part of our communication group, then you can just ping me, and I will add you into that community. Then you will get the meeting link, then you can join. It may be started in 3 to 4 days. Okay, so job assistance program. So we'll provide entire course end to end. What are the total packages we are offered? Everything will be covered. Okay, everything will be hand over to you. Okay, and we'll conduct some mock interview sessions, which is very helpful for your interview point of view. Okay, and interview question and answers also will share the Excel sheets. Okay, it will it can be downloadable. You can download it, and you can go through. You can practice on each interview question and answers. Okay, so my advice is you can explore more about the interview questions. You can explore more about the interview questions. So I will provide the latest questions and the previous questions as well. But you have to explore more, then you will get more interview questions. Maybe it will not exceed it. Like whatever interview questions we are covering, 100 to 150 questions for each model. That is more. I mean, uh, enough. That is enough for the your interview process. Okay, so we'll build the resume for you, and based on your even non-IT or IT experience, whatever you have, that can be considered for your total experience, and will take as some part for the Oracle Fusion. Will build the resume for you. Okay, you can use the same profile for your job portal creation, and we'll have a one-to-one connection. And if you have any questions, you have any queries, you can call me anytime, or you can ping me anytime. Okay, see, if I was busy in client meetings or current office work, I will respond bit late. And okay, definitely by end of the day, if you are trying to reach out me on in the morning, if I was unable to connect with you, by end of the day, definitely I will come to you back. Okay, I will call you definitely at the time of end of the day. Okay, so we'll provide real-time cases and real-time scenarios. Okay, we'll provide interview support as well. Okay, so first we used to, my advice is go through interview questions and go through mock interview processes. Then you can try, this interview support process. Okay, right. We will provide job support. That means pre-job and post-job. Okay, after course or during course, anyways, we will provide the support. Even after getting the job also, we'll provide support free, and job support is free. Not is It's not a chargeable. Okay, and now we can, if you have any questions, you can ask. But before that, I will explain the time I used to get this. These are the frequent questions I used to get from students. So first I will clarify all these very frequent questions, and later you can ask your questions. Okay. So who can learn this course? So I got this question from many of the students. So people who are completed degree or master degrees, all education background students are eligible. So some people are thinking that this is ERP application, something he has mentioned Fusion Financials. Maybe financial students would be required for this profile. So it's not true. And actually, these financial activities, accounting activities, will be done in the application defaultly. That is end user activity. Since we are a functional consultant, you don't need to bother about the end user activities. So you are a technical, you are a functional resource, functional consultant. You will provide the solution for the uh, customer issues. Okay, whatever the end user got the issues, you will fix the issues. So education point, any degree or better experienced candidate or fresher candidate are eligible for the this course. Next, even I told you, right, even you are from non-finance background. So yeah, you are see, best example, I'm currently working on one client. Okay, we have a team, we have 8 members of team, all financial student. Not financials. Oracle SaaS team we have, and technical team we have. Okay, and middleware team we have. So In our SaaS team, so all of are related to BTech background only. So there is no one from finance background or BCom background or something. So all are BTech students, MTech and BTech students. Okay. So here your education is not a major thing or impacted thing. Okay. What you have skill, the skill, whatever you have, that is important. So you should able to manage your application properly. That's it. And not one of the student, many of the students have 5 to 10 years of experience gap, and or some of the students working as a non IT, okay, banking area or other. There are many sectors, right? They're working under their sectors, but they now they realized that this is not our final destination. Seems like after 5 years, 6 years, you can see that there is no growth in your profile. So then they will realize that it is not our way. We have to choose another best way to change our life pattern. Okay. So the people who are looking for IT jobs from non-IT, so Oracle Fusion is the best option, because this is a very friendly product and a friendly application. So zero coding, and uh, you know uh, there is no artificial intelligence affected. Everyone can learn this course easily, very easily. Okay. Come to packages. So I can say if you have 5 to 10 years of experience, then you may expect 10 to 15 lakhs packages starting, and based on your performance it can be increased as well. Okay. So if you have career gap, some students saying that I have 5 years of my career gap due to my personal issues or due to some other issues. I got this gap. Can I survive to taking this course? Yeah, definitely, Andy. You can manage your experiences, and you can learn this course, and you can restart your career. Okay. So current market on this course. So you can search in Google, and you can search in Google. You can search in any job portal. It's not my saying. It's at my words. You can check in portal. So every week I used to post some job opportunities in our community group, in our WhatsApp community group. I will post every week or 2 weeks, definitely monthly. Every monthly, I will post job opportunity details, whatever the job opportunities are available in the market. There are plenty, and there are plenty opportunities are available now. Okay, so our students are getting scheduled. I know per day 1 or 2 entries for one candidate. There are line. There is a line. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every day they had interview schedule. Okay, there is huge opportunities are available now. Okay, so you can. It is not my words. You can search in our Google or Naukri and LinkedIn. Just go and verify Oracle Fusion Financials job opportunities or interviews. Then you will get. Then there are many lists. Approximately 10,000 you may get. Okay, right. So one more thing, nowadays, and in 2024, this, I mean, we saw this thing like IT people are losing their jobs, layoffs. Okay, impact due to this artificial intelligence, AI impact. So there are many jobs for layoff, because see, in our Oracle Fusion, like in our Oracle Fusion, since we are a functional consultant, that job cannot be done through, artificial intelligence. Okay. So customer needed some accuracy, customer needed some, security. So they don't want to give some access to some artificial intelligence. Okay. So maybe it could be affected on end users, whatever the, let's say ABC Limited, ABC Limited had some hundreds of employees who, they are working, small tasks for each person. Company can reduce and company can replace artificial intelligence to avoid that multiple steps, and they can reduce the number of employees as a company level. But since we are working as a functional consultants always needed as much sufficiency. Okay, they cannot replace with the artificial intelligence of a functional consultant. So if you compare with the, I was seeing from, this artificial intelligence enforced in 2021-22 years. Okay, after COVID, it is increased. This artificial chat GPT and all this will have been increased in after COVID. Okay, so if you realize that, if you see that the people who are lost their jobs, they are coming, they are working on Java, and there are multiple programming languages or technical, you know, technical components. Those kind of job holders, they are losing their jobs. So I did not see any functional consultant lost their jobs due to artificial intelligence. Okay, so that is the one. Next, how many people were placed in jobs in our training program? Like in our let's say institutes, there are many students, and like in January we got 3 offers. Okay, in February also, one of our student, previous batch students, got 17 lakhs package. Okay, so we are getting good opportunities for our students as well. Okay, next, I will explain this job, I mean content, course content, and so each module level, what are the functionals we are going to cover. I have some PDF document for this training context. So I will put all the functionalities, what are the functionals we are going to be covered in one module, and the real-time sessions, everything will be described in a PDF document. If anyone need that document, you can ping me and I will share you. So communication skills is important, but it is not like a must and needed. Like what you say, the communication skills can be, I mean, uh, it can be manageable. Like the communication skills, whatever you have, if it is a manageable, that's fine. It's not related to professional. Like you don't speak or you don't convert with our client regularly. So based on the client issues, you can discuss and you can close the issue. You maximum 90% of your work will be on the application level. It is not one-to-one communications or one-to-one you know explanations or discussions. So it just application level work. So main thing, you should have technical skill set, and comparing with the communication skills, you should have a technical skill set, then you will survive. If you have good communication skills but you don't have skill set, technical skill set, then what is the use? There is no use. Okay, సో ఏమంటారు తెలుగులో, మాటలతో మభ్య పెట్టలేరు కదా క్లయింట్ ని. ఓకే, so you should have technical stuff. So even with a minimum communication skills, you can understand the client issue and you can fix the client issue. Okay. So also you can speak English as per client, understand basis. That is fine. English is not an important thing. Many of the students were worrying about the English language. Okay, then I can assure you that English language is not must and should required option. Okay, that's why I used to uh, train you in the Telugu language. Okay, so I used to train you Telugu language because you should get the content of a course. And so the functionality whatever we are discussing, if you uh, got the context, then you can speak in our own language. Okay, so first thing is you should get the skill set. That is the important thing. Okay, now you can ask me if you have any questions. You can ask me your questions in Telugu, or if someone from other states, you can ask me in English. Let me.
Himesh, so I have a question, a couple of questions. So,
Okay.
what is the course duration?
So course duration is 2 months.
2 months. Okay,
Yeah,
that's first one. Second one, the reason I'm asking you this question is, see, in market there are there are many players, right,
mm,
on teaching Oracle Fusion. But in
yeah,
a discussion, what you said is you will cover all live sessions, live scenarios, as in.
correct, correct.
Okay, so I would like to be a part of one demo session for live
Okay.
scenarios what you're covering, so that, see, the reason I'm saying is there are many friends, they join in different
Mm-hmm.
community,
Yeah.
but before itself they said that live scenarios will be covered, but there once they join, they did not cover anything such.
Mm-hmm.
So that could be the reason I'm asking you to be a part of
Definitely, definitely. See, that's what I'm telling. We are going to start real-time sessions in 3-4 days. Okay.
okay.
So
Hmm.
just ping me and I will share that meeting link. You can join that. Okay.
Okay.
Not only 1 or 2 sessions, you can take a full, 10-day sessions. No worries.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because if I refer someone to my friend, so I
Correct,
can
correct. Exactly, exactly.
let them know these are the
Yeah.
things you are going to cover.
Yes,
And
yes.
third thing, since you are in the market, so what is the highest package which an individual got from your institute?
Institutes, I say that 18, and one of the senior guy, and I mean, he's already working actually.
Mhm.
So he just taken additional training from us. Like he don't have full knowledge on other models. Actually, he has knowledge on AP and GL, but AR and other models he don't have the skill set. So he joined and learned skill set from our institute. But yeah, as of now that he had 15 lakhs package at the time.
Mhm.
He is taking the course, but later he got 19 lakhs, I think 20 lakhs, I think 19 point change something.
Okay.
So in our, see, my colleagues are and other uh, friends are working for 25 packages, 25 to 28 packages.
Okay.
So
Okay.
highest package I can say 35.
35. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. And again, I had a question, but you have covered that, like, about AI it is
Yes, yes, yes,
evolving
yes.
in the market for all
Mm.
the applications. But as you said, functional consultant, the AI cannot override that.
Yes, yes, correct.
But thanks.
Yeah. Thank you, Shiva. Anyone?
Hi,
Hi.
hi, this is Dipti.
Yeah.
Yeah, what is the scope of getting work from home opportunities on this?
See, work from home opportunities. See, I can see there are many. companies are looking for remote. So last week, when I searched for the opportunities in LinkedIn and Naukri, there are many companies are giving a remote access, remote, permanently remote. So few companies are offering a hybrid mode. That means in a week, 1 or 2 days we need to go for the office, and remaining we can work from the home. And there are many companies I saw that they are completely providing a remote session. I mean remote working. That means permanently will work from home. Okay, so you will get the laptop from the company, and you can work. So after this COVID, this remote work is increased. Remote work, all the companies are encouraging this work from home.
Okay.
Yeah. So I can say 50 to 70% of chances are there for the remote. I mean
50?
work from. Yeah, 50 to 70.
Oh, okay. I have no experience until now. I
Okay.
have a long career gap. Then
Okay.
I am eligible for this one.
See, if the thing is, if you have good communication skills, like which can be manageable. Okay. So, anyways, I will train you that how your profile will be there in real time. Okay. And what is the procedure in real time once you got the job? How process is going to be taken place in our company and your team, and hierarchy, how the hierarchy will be there in our employment level. Okay, so since you will get the everything in our training, in this training, so definitely you can manage it.
Okay.
Since you don't have a real-time experience, but
Yes.
still you can manage. So we don't have other option, right? So at least you
Yes.
should get the knowledge. Since you don't have the real-time experience, you should get the knowledge at least. Based on knowledge, you can manage it. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
The same something Hemant asked, can you please
Yeah,
confirm
yes.
BAP and OTB will cover? Yes, and will cover. See, since this BAP and OTBI, it is a technical components. Like in our client project, we have a BAP reports consultant. So his role is developing BAP reports and providing support on BAP reports, BAP, OTBA, and Apex reports. Okay, if the client has some issues in the BAP report, he will take care of that. So as a function consultant, what we used to provide, I mean, support to technical BAP report, then we know that tables. And so
Yeah.
as a OTBA and a BAP reports level, we needed it. But this technical guy who is developing BAP reports, they don't know about the backend tables. They will come to us and they will ask, Mahesh, can you please, we need an, BAP report from the client that is needed supplier details and open invoice details and payment methodology. So these are the things we need to cover in a BAP report. Could you please help me that? These are the required fields from where we can get it. Okay, so then I will, as a function consultant, I know that the fields which is looking for the BAP reports, where it would be available. So we have tables, okay, Oracle backend tables. So then we'll advise them. These are the tables. These are the fields. You can map it. So as a technical consultant, he can do the SQL development and joinings, selections and joinings and where conditions, they will do that. So I will show you that how we can create a BAP report, basic basic report, how we can develop the BAP report and OTBA report. So that is the basic information is fine. Later you can
Basically,
explore.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically,
go
I
ahead.
have a little bit knowledge on BIP and OTBA reports. As an
Okay.
integration specialist, I do have experience in those areas as well.
Okay.
What the thing is like, I don't have, the extension knowledge towards the table. So what and all the attributes
Correct.
are existing
Exactly
in
what
the
I told.
tables. So what and all the
Yeah, I will cover everything.
నేను అక్కడ అవి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. అది ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ బేసికలీ నాకు ఆ టేబుల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది మీ దగ్గర ఏదైనా ఉంటే అంటే గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్
yes sir, see every module level
అది షేర్ చేస్తే నాకు యాడెడ్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ అవుతుంది సర్దండి.
మనకి మీరు అడిగినట్లు ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ తో పాటు బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ టేబుల్స్ కూడా చెప్తాను నేను. సప్లయర్ ఉన్నది, సప్లయర్స్ లెవెల్లో ఎన్ని, హౌ మెనీ టేబుల్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఫర్ ది సప్లయర్స్. Okay, at what levels, interface level we have, main table we have, and invoices, bank, every functionality we have a table, and each Excel sheet level I will put them in a backend. So let me take you to that. If you take GL, we have, let's see, functionalities level, we have GL functionalities. This is the functionalities of sheet end. This is the sheet. Okay, at the end you can see these are the table list. Okay, GL related table list. If you see AP, if you want to AP,
sorry, I'm not able to see your
okay, sorry, just a minute. I will share it again.
Okay.
Yeah, now we must able to see that. Excel you are able to see?
Yeah, now I'm able to see your screen.
Yeah, so this is the functionality sheets we have. At the end you can see table list.
Okay,
so these are the AP level table list. So and I will it is a description as well, what is the information you can get this table, like that. This is AP and this is GL. GL level, what is the main table names, what is the information you will get, these are the field information, like that. So I will put all the functionalities in Excel sheet. Okay, so let's like this. So we have plenty functionalities in AP module. Okay,
and are you going to share these Excel
yes,
sheet with us? Okay,
yeah, I will share this everything, and once functionality is covered, so supplier, how we can create a supplier and prerequisites, what are the prerequisites we have, and example, everything will be shared with you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, right, we have everything like see, this is the functionalities: APR, FA, GL, CM. Okay, these are the setups, and I used to provide a screenshot document as well. Okay, this is the screenshot document we have, PDF screenshot document. So I will provide this, what are the setups you needed, and a screenshot document. This is a screenshot document I will provide you.
For each and every module, right?
Every module.
Okay.
Like this, this is GL, right? If you see AP, so this is AP. This is a screenshot you can see. Setups a screenshot. So even though you have video access as well, but this document will help you to take offline.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So clearly it is there. So for all the modules, we have a screenshot documents. Okay, and we have a functionality Excel sheets as well. So I will share these 3 documents as well. For each model, enterprise structures level, we have PPT documents, payables level, expenses level, fixed assets, receivables, cash management, and general accounting. So everything will be shared to you.
Okay.
So whatever whatever I used to explain to you, that will be shared to you. So here we have mock interest. So mock interest level, we have questions list. Okay, recently we had a interview. Okay, this is the interview questions. Okay, question and answer. This is question, this is answer. So you can see this in our YouTube channel. Okay, there is a clear explanation. Everything will be shared to you.
Okay.
And we have resumes as well, FBDA documents and resumes. We have resumes, real-time issues. I will provide resumes as well.
Thanks, Andy.
Okay, right. So I will provide the maximum information for your, మీకు ఎంతవరకు ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కావాలో అంత మ్యాక్సిమం ఇచ్చేస్తానండి. నాకు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్లో నేను ఫేస్ చేసిన నాకున్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మొత్తం మీకు డెఫినెట్గా షేర్ చేస్తాను, విచ్ ఇస్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ యువర్ కెరీర్. Okay, anybody, any questions? Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Happy Diwali, sir.
Happy Ugadi. You say Happy Ugadi. Your voice is very low.
Okay,
I can't hear you. That's
Happy
what.
Ugadi and friends.
Yeah.
Happy Ugadi also, all of you.
Happy Ugadi.
Actually,
మీకు తెలుగు తెలుగే కదా?
ఉగాది విశ్వావసు నామ సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు.
తెలుగు సంవత్సర శుభాకాంక్షలు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
చెప్పండి.
ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఎవ్రీవన్. సార్, ఇది మీరు రియల్ టైమ్ సినారియోస్ అటెండ్ అవ్వమని ఒక నెక్స్ట్ 4 days లో స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నాయి. అవి మేము క్లాస్ వినకపోయినా మాకు కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
యా డెఫినెట్లీ. మీ క్లాసెస్ వినకపోయినా కానీ మీరు అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈవెన్ మీరు ఇన్ఫర్మేటివ్ గా తీసుకున్నా కానీ నెక్స్ట్ మీకు ఏమంటారు, మీ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ది బ్యాచ్ మీకు మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను మీకు సపరేట్ గా. ఓకే, సో ఇదేంటంటే మెయిన్ థింగ్ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఓకే, తర్వాత రియల్ టైమ్ లో మీరు ఫంక్షనాలిటీస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, దాని మీద ఉంటుంది ఎక్కువ. సో 50%, మాక్సిమం 50% మీరు ఈజీగా అర్థం చేసుకోవచ్చు డెఫినెట్ గా. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు మీరు రియల్ టైం విన్న తర్వాత మీరు ఫంక్షనాలిటీలోకి అంటే అప్లికేషన్కి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఇంకా ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది, ఇంకా ఈజీగా అర్థం అవుతుంది అప్లికేషన్ లెవెల్లో.
సార్, హలో.
యా టెల్ మీ.
సార్ ఇది మనము ఎక్సెల్ షీట్స్ ని అంటే డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ ఇస్తాము, రిపోర్ట్స్ బిల్డప్ చేస్తాం అంటున్నారు కదా. డూ యూ హ్యావ్ నాలెడ్జ్ మచ్ అబౌట్ ఎక్సెల్స్?
యా,
అంటే నేర్చుకుని ఉండాలి కంపల్సరీ. అంటే మామూలు
ఎక్సెల్స్ మీద అంటే మీరు అనేది ఏంటి అర్థం కాదు నాకు. ఎక్సెల్స్ అంటే
ఎంఎస్ ఆఫీస్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ గా నేర్చుకుని ఉండాలా?
లేదండి,
నోట్ చేస్తే
జస్ట్ మాకు నోట్ ప్యాడ్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేస్తామో ఎక్సెల్ అంతా యూజ్ చేయగలిగితే చాలు.
ఓకే సార్.
నథింగ్ బట్ ఎక్కువ అంత అవసరం ఉండదు. మీరు అనేది వీలు కప్స్ కానివ్వండి, పివోట్ టేబుల్స్ కానివ్వండి, విజియో కానీ, ఎంఎస్ విజియో కానీ ఆ లెవెల్ స్కిల్ సెట్ ఏం అవసరం ఉండదు. ఫార్ములా సప్లై చేయడం ఇలాంటి ఏం అవసరం ఉండదు మనకి ఎక్సెల్ షీట్.
ఎంఎస్ ఆఫీస్ కన్నా అంతా నా వర్క్ వేరే దాని మీద జరిగింది. క్వాలిటీ
అర్థమైంది.
అడిగాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
Anybody?
Hi Mahesh, Upendra here.
Hi Upendra.
Yeah, as you said, there are 5 modules, right, in this course.
Yes.
You will be covering all 5 in this
exactly
course, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And I have one more question, like, do you know any idea, like, how is the job market in US for Oracle Financial?
Yeah, we have some, our students in US as well. You can call me after this one. I can suggest you that one of consultant ఇది కూడా ఉన్నారు, consultant also there in US. Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because I worked as an SAP consultant previously. Now I want to switch to Oracle.
Yeah.
From SAP. Yeah.
So basically, if you compare with India, you may get more offers in US. So we have previous batches, we have many US students. Our in US we have plenty of opportunities, right? So just check it and you can can get the.
Maybe I'll connect with you one-to-one later.
Yeah, sure,
Thank
sure. Anyone, any questions? So if anyone is joining first time, okay, if you are not having in community group, then just ping me. I will add you into the community. So even though if you are not part of our batch student, but you will get interview question and answers and mock interview sessions, informative things and job opportunity details. Everything you will get. Okay, so that is for your knowledge. It's not our you should join our training institute or nothing like that. Okay, so you can ping me and I will add you into the group. Okay, so this is my number in the screen, you can see. So time to close. Any questions, Anne? Any queries, any questions? So if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, you can reach out me. You can call me directly. Okay, I will suggest you whatever the requirements you have, whatever the doubts you have. Okay. Thank you, Andy. Thank you so much for the joining. Once again, happy Ugadi all. So this year will very happy for you all. Okay. Thank you, Andy. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.